Namaste to all. Welcome to VCube Smart Learning. This Sunday, that is 4th September and 11th September, I will be conducting a workshop or a crash course, you can say, on rational numbers. Now, many students who come to me for coaching classes when they are in 8th, I find that they have very shaky fundamentals and conceptual understanding of a few chapters like rational numbers, linear equations, basic algebra, identities, factorization, and so on. Now, these are very important when you learn mathematics in higher classes from the 8th grade. And one of the reasons for the poor fundamentals could be that the student has not focused well between the 5th and the 7th grade. So when he or she comes to the 8th grade, they find it very difficult to understand the more difficult concepts. So this workshop is like a bridge course between the 5th grader to the 8th grader. You could be even in the 9th grade, and if you find that your fundamentals are really weak, then this is the workshop that you have to attend. Now the workshop will be conducted online between 3 and 4:30 p.m. It could extend by half an hour depending upon the response of the students. I will be giving a short break in between, and I'm sure after attending this workshop on rational numbers, the child will be extremely confident to take on any problem in rational numbers and definitely develop a liking towards the chapter. So anyone who's interested in this workshop, please contact me at 9448 718 218. That's my WhatsApp number too. So mark your calendar for 4th and 11th September. Thank you.